Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to send gifts on Cash App using gift cards, okay? So all you need to do first is enter at least $1 and tap Pay Now from the home screen and then toggle payment option to gift card, right? And then you want to choose a gift from the variety of merchants and then just type your recipient's unique, cash tag, current phone number, or email address, right? And then enter an optional note in the for field to basically describe the payment. Just select a payment source, go ahead and tap next, and follow the prompts, right? And it's literally that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn those bell notifications so I can see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.